Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: a verified Blinkit account and the gift card code printed or copied. Open the app and go straight to Profile or Wallet because that's where codes are redeemed. Enter the code exactly, then tap Confirm so the gift value posts to your Blinkit wallet. Once done, you'll see the updated wallet balance. This is important because the app pulls funds from wallet first, ensuring the gift amount is applied automatically to your next purchase. You continue by building your cart and choosing a delivery slot. Fees and minimums affect final costs, so check them now. At checkout, pick payment method and make sure wallet or the gift card option is selected so the app deducts from your redeemed balance. If the gift doesn't cover the full total, choose split payment and add a card or UPI for the remainder. This prevents failed orders and lets you control where extra charges come from, especially during promotions, or you finish by confirming the order and watching the app show the wallet deduction. An order confirmation message should follow. After delivery or cancellation, check your wallet because refunds typically return there, which keeps funds available for new orders. If the gift code fails to apply, don't panic. Clear app cache, sign out and back in, then re-enter the code. If that still fails, contact Blinkit support with a screenshot and the code so they can resolve the credit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.